The journey has not been easy. There are a lot of times when we thought of stopping everything, but the drive of pushing the limits was bigger than us. All of these experiences happened and was dealt behind the chair. I am Pude, a local, creative, barber, and a business owner. We thought of having barracks as the name of our barbershop because we got inspired by the military, wherein they house young, regular men inside the barracks to be trained, to be taught, to be better versions of themselves, similar to our clients, our staff. We have this culture of growth. We have this culture of improving ourselves one haircut at a time. Barracks literally started from scratch. It all began in 2017 with me and my brother-in-law. We were looking for a place to get that high-end barbershop experience. But Davao at that time has little to no shops available. That's where we found the need. That's where the business planning started. Early in 2017, when the plan started, I was cutting hair in our garage. I was offering free haircuts to my friends. Back in 2015, I have this small bike shop, so I often give discounts to people who allow me to cut their hair. Back then, I was a full-time teacher. I was juggling around teaching and barbering. Then a year after, I opted to quit my job in teaching to become a full-time shop manager. We started with one location lang sa Bahada. The location is just a few steps from our house. We had that decision on making that our first branch para mas dali siya ma-monitor. Karon adto sa mo ang US location. Currently, we have 4 locations, Bahada, Bangkal, Lanang. Karon nato sa atong US location ang Barracks Maa. In the future, Barracks will be expanding to more locations to cater more gentlemen. Barracks will be expanding not only within Davao, but hopefully outside Davao. What makes Barracks unique is the value of service that we have. Barracks not only offers clean, professional haircut, but we offer a lot of services that would address the problems of the modern-day Davaoenyo. Or our services includes the consultation process, which is very important. That way, we see to it that our clients get the haircut that they want, the haircut that best fits their face structure, the head shape, and everything. It's not just the haircut, it's the experience that we sell. We also integrated coffee sa amo ang business para maka-offer mo yung something refreshing, something na adtuan sa mga tao aside sa barbershop. That way, ma-reiterate na mo ang premium grooming service. Barracks Barbers and Shaves has 4 C's: charity, competence, community, and culture. These 4 pillars help us keep our goals on track. For charity, Barracks is always giving back. We include charity work for our calendar of activities. For competence, we educate our barbers regularly. We join seminars, workshops, trainings, and conventions. With community, we try to involve ourselves with the community to gain traction with market. For culture, we embody a culture of local supporting locals. Having been in this industry for 7 big years made us think that a barbershop is not all about cutting hair. There are a lot more things to be done behind the chair. Nothing was given easy. Everything was dealt upon head-on. We knew nothing about barbering and the industry when we started. We tried, failed, and figured things out along the way. With our 7 years, we have encountered a lot of challenges, especially the pandemic. During the pandemic, we closed one location. We lost a lot of barbers along the way. The pandemic taught us that losing clients, losing barbers, losing employees is part of the business. We have learned to root ourselves more to our goal which is to provide premium grooming service experience because people will always be choosing quality. That is where we take a solid grasp in making our brand run, making our shop run, and provide job opportunities to more people. We have a strong fire within us, but most of the drive and motivation came from our families, friends, barbers and staff, and all the people who believed in what we are doing. It is from their trust, love, and support that help us put things into place. I am deeply inspired to work and do everything for Barracks because of my family. They're the main reason why I am doing this. It's basically for them. Barracks started out as a family thing. It is working for the family. Barracks is family. The family is where you get all your inspirations, motivations, and happiness. Work-life balance is very important. Unang sa Barracks, we try to spend time together. Very important na ang amuang bond as a family is good para ang Barracks will also have a good family and employee relationship. Happy employees help build a stronger company.